What's up, transfer superstars? We're doing a quick video to show you how easily you can align your shirts with an aligning ruler. Now, the original acrylic version we purchased 3 years ago actually cracked naturally, so we had to order another one just so we could use as a simple reference. We use lasers, as you can see in all our videos, but we want to include tools that our customers can use to easily help them if they're not good at aligning shirts. That's one of the difficulties for most, is aligning the transfer perfectly. If you mess up, it's noticeable on the shirt and you wasted the time, material, and money to make that shirt. So for everything to look as perfect as it could get, it's important to use these tools. We also got 2 blanks, a Bella Canvas large, and we also do have a next level 2XL. These are gonna be our blanks for today because we are going to be testing out these rulers. We also do have some Transfer Superstar transfers that are gonna help us test out these rulers. So let's get into it. So this is the ruler we are going to be showing off right now. We bought this for $6.99 on Amazon Prime. The last price was listed at $9.99, so it's still not that bad. So we got 1 adult, 2XL to 6XL. You got youth, toddler looks even smaller than infant. It also comes with this ruler, looks more like a waist ruler kind of thing. Also does come with some of these needles. Any of that, it also gives its own placement charts and everything. That's pretty cool, but we have our own preferred. Merely, we're just gonna be using the aligning tools. Yeah, no, this is what it comes with. It was all $6.99 again on Prime. And it's a pretty good deal, it's not that bad. Don't get me wrong, it is very, very thin. As you could tell, it's very flimsy, but on that note, I don't think it would crack. Press it to test it. I just got this, but no, it looks good. It looks nice. It does have a plastic cover. I did already take the plastic cover off of this one, without you guys not noticing. All right, let's test these bad boys. Really, we're only gonna be testing the adult and the 2XL because we do have a 2XL shirt. So this is gonna work out with the adult and the 2XL. Let's get it. For heat presses, we got our Geonite heat press. And for our start off shirt, we're gonna start off with the next level XXL. And how we're gonna just align this, we're gonna go put this all the way up until where the edge of the collar would meet. And making sure everything is leveled. Then we're gonna get our XXL ruler, putting it right at the 3-inch mark. Give you a better reference. First, align this. We're gonna use our both fingers at the edge just to properly put this in the middle. Okay, let me get you a better look. Okay, so it's gonna be on the edge, but as you can see, it's on the 3-inch mark line. Okay, so we're gonna grab our transfer. And you already know what we usually do. We make a little midway point. And then we're going to use that midway point to go ahead and align this. All right. Again, it's at that 3-inch mark. Making sure everything is completely leveled. All right. Everything is good. We take this off and we are ready to press. Okay. Let's go on with the second press. All right. Very nice. Okay. That's good. All right, let's move on to the next one. Here's a little look. No, it looks perfectly aligned. Let's move on to the next. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next one. We got our Bella Canvas large. Same concept. We are just gonna put this all the way up towards the collar. And this one's gonna be a little bit easier to align because it's a lot shorter thread. And we are gonna press it first, because I do see a little bit of wrinkles, and that will affect any type of transfer. It does mess up a little of the lining. Now we're gonna use our adult ruler to the 3-inch mark. On this one, doesn't have the 3, but you know where the 3 is at. To give it more of a rough. Okay, so at the 3, it's very noticeable. Okay, and then making sure that this is also properly aligned using the 2-finger method, making everything completely set. Okay. Now we're gonna grab our last transfer. Try to get a midway point. I'm gonna put this in already. Okay, and then putting the 2 fingers on the side. Making sure this is properly aligned. All right, take this off. But it is a-okay. Now we all set. So we're gonna second press it one more time. That stop it at 2. Well, I guess it really didn't matter because it definitely see the imprints of the threads. So it looks good. And these rulers, they came out great. Very handy. All right, there you guys have it. As you can see, this is very effective, definitely. And if you guys aren't very good at aligning transfers, this will definitely help you out. So definitely invest in this. On another note, let's just take another look at the shirts. This is a Bella Canvas Large. This one came out very well, perfect on the alignment. Let's look at the second one. This is the Double XL Next Level Tee. Again, perfect alignment, came out great. Awesome. Well, if you guys found value in this video, please like and subscribe. It helps us make more videos like this. I'll catch you guys real soon.